Hi everyone and welcome muli sa aking channel.
Sobrang salamat po sa panonood sa aking nakaraang video sa paggawa ko ng tuna pie at today gagawa tayo ng isa na namang masarap na pie. Ito ang homemade mango pie ala Jolibee. Madali lang din itong gawin, just keep on watching.
Ito ang mga sangkap na ating kailangan. Isang mangga, hotcake mix, breadcrumbs, and egg for coating, then sugar. First step is gagawa muna tayo ng mango fillings. Let's cut the mangoes into cubes, then prepare the sugar for our jam. Then let's add butter in the pan and make sure na low heat lang, and then lutuin natin ang mangga. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more if gusto mo na mas matamis. And after a while, nag-golden brown na siya at soften na ang ating mangga. And it's almost ready na po, guys. Then we're good to go. Then, set aside muna natin ang ating nagawa na jam. Next up is, gagawa tayo ng dough for our pie. In your bowl, add 10 tablespoons of hotcake mix, then add 2 tablespoons of water. Then, i-mix lang natin ito until well combined. Then form a circle. And then we will cut it into 4. Ipa-flatten natin ito and then make sure to pour over some flour para di magdidikit-dikit. There it is, guys, ipa-flatten pa natin hanggang mas manipis na ang ating dough. Then, cut the sides to achieve the rectangular shape and then we're done. And that's how we make our dough, and just repeat the process until the last one. Next up is maglalagay na tayo ng mango fillings and make sure to skip the sides.
Then gagamit po tayo ng tinidor para i-close ang gilid. And just repeat the process up to the last pie. There it is, guys, we're almost done. Para mag-crispy ang coating niya, all we need is this breadcrumbs and egg. First is gagawa tayo ng egg wash. Then prepare the breadcrumbs for coating. Then i-coat na po natin ang pie sa ating egg wash all over. Then, sa breadcrumbs. That easy, guys. So, ulitin mo lang po ang process na ito up to the last pie. So, now, it's all ready to cook. I-prepare lang po natin ang ating pan at lulutuin natin ang ating nagawang mango pie. There it is guys, ito na po ang ating homemade mango pie. Sobrang dali lang pong gawin at sobrang sarap pa. So if you're craving for peach mango pie yan, makakagawa ka na po sa bahay. But if you're having a hard time sa paggawa po ng dough, pwede ka pong gumamit ng cream bread. Mas madali lang pong process nun. I-attach ko po ang link sa taas kung paano po yun gawin yan. Thank you so much for watching and always keep safe and enjoy your mango pie at home.